What is up, guys? It's me, Precious R. Adriano. Today we are recording with my uncle, Jonel. Why? Okay, let's do it. We will joining survival games. Let's try it. Oh man, I think this is gonna be lagged. This is not good. If this is not gonna work, we will trying another game. I'll find game first. I only have 1, 2, 3. I only have 3 games. Next time we will play Special Forces group, and I will skip this thing until I join the game. Okay. Okay, guys, it's about 5 minutes now. I'm still waiting. Okay, I will show you when I join the game. Okay, guys, so it's about an hour. So I'm gonna make some tricks. So I have a skeleton like that. So can you see? You can hit it because it's invisible. So it looks like a floating sword, and it swings like that. Whoa! And look, all of it. Look, it even has a gun. Okay, let's try this. Oh god. Let's try it. It doesn't work. Let's try this. Oh god, what is happening? Let's try this tray. Little skeleton. So it's a lot of floating sword. And
naglagay ka ng dragon.
Let's try adding dragon. Here we go. Very small dragon. Let's try if this making fireball. So we can add block of oil just to really like grass, but break the block. Don't do it like that, not like that. As you can see, we make a cross, break this thing, and add a pumpkin. There we go. Look, it even fights. Oh, he got poison. Oh, he got a poison.
Yung mga snow golem.
Let's try snow golem.
Pakataas mo, gumawa ka ng tower. Again.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make tower.
Ganyan lang, sige yan. Baba ka. Ako na magkukulat.
Oh god. Look, this spider can't get up. It's very funny. Oh god. Oh no, no. Kill it. Oh.
Hindi na kaya. Oh, yun. Malapit.
This thing can kill it.
Pinagtutulungan nila. Pinagtutulungan. Tingnan mo yun, no? Pinagtutulungan nila.
Oh god. 3 of them.
3 versus 1.
3 versus
Ano
1.
dumarating yung isa? And 2 versus 3.
Nagbabaril.
Tingnan mo sila.
They can shoot a spider. Oh no. The wither skeleton. Oh, yeah, he died. No. Oh, he has a sword. Look. He can't, you know. He can't. Go, go, go.
Tulungan mo siya. Isa na. Itlog. Ayan.
Go kill me if you can. That's a good idea. Nagmamanok.
Eh, gusto mo makakuha ng maraming pagkain.
Yeah?
Mag-okay ka dyan.
There we
Sige
go.
pa.
Oh!
Sumuli na. Yan. Tapos pasabogin mo ng TNT. Hindi dyan.
No way.
Dapat nakalipad ka eh. Ngayon. Sige. Hindi, gawin ka lang. Kasasunod sila dyan lahat.
Malapit sila.
Para mas madali ganito lang. Ah! Maglagay ka dyan. Ah. Hindi dyan, dito. Parang hindi sila lumilipad na gano'n. Ganito. Maglagay ka dito. Yan. Hindi, dito ka mag-base. Naglalag.
By the way, guys, stop making this. Stop adding a lot of chickens or animals because it's lag.
Kumuha ka ng TNT, tapos sabay-sabay.
No, 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 not like that, not like that, not like that.
A dragon, lagyan mo ng dragon.
First,
A dragon.
we need to add
Pwet.
a dispenser, not a butt. Dispenser,
TNT.
torch,
Tsaka,
and
Peston.
TNT.
maglagay ka muna maraming chicken.
Hindi maglalagay tayo yan.
TNT.
I broke this shit. Stop it, you're not funny. So,
Nakalabas na sila.
no. They can't escape. The little chickens? No, they cannot. Oh, forgot. It's not the redstone torch. But we were gonna use it. TNT, a redstone, and a lever. Yeah, a lever. Sneak.
Tignan mo kung may nalalagyan ka na babawasan. Ayan.
Help, I can fly. I can't.
Corny ako.
Okay. Gosh.
Oh.
Really?
Lagi nakalipad ka na.
Wow! No. No, I'm creative. Don't be a cheater. Oh, look. Oh,
Huh? Nabuhay pa.
this one survives? What?
Kung sino maliit sa'yo.
This one
Wala
survives?
para hindi siya makasurvive.
Okay. You can't survive a little bit.
Ganyan.
Yeah! She wants to go right there.
Nag-suicide.
She becomes suicide. Ooh, look! A snow art. Oh God, what kind of shape is this?
Para sa ibon na mahaba yung
It
tuka.
looks like a bird. Look, there's the beak. That is the head. That is the tail. That is the body. You know, it's like a, oh, it's even more bigger. Sorry about that. Oh, what is that? What? What is that? There's something exploding right there. Wait, what? Oh, no, it's the dragons. So, by the way, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. And we will be making a magic video next time. Bye. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave a like and comment down below. Bye. Chick, bomb.